Ever wondered why your video call is super glitchy, but you can stream a 4K movie without a single buffer? The answer might not be your internet speed, but a huge difference between two words we use every day: upload and download. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you want to master the tech that runs your life, make sure to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. All right, let's get into it. Most people think internet speed is just one number, right? You pay your internet provider for, say, 100 megabits per second. But that number usually just tells you half the story. It's almost always your download speed. So, what exactly is downloading? Think of the internet as a gigantic global library. When you download something, you're taking a book, a movie, or a song from that library's shelf and bringing it to your own device. Every time you stream a show on Netflix, listen to a podcast on Spotify, scroll through your social media feed, or even just load a web page, you are downloading data from a server onto your computer or phone. Your device is receiving information. Since most of our online activity is consuming content, internet service providers prioritize this. That's why download speeds are typically much faster. They want you to have a smooth experience watching, listening, and browsing. Now, let's flip the coin and talk about uploading. If downloading is taking something from the internet library, uploading is putting something back on the shelf for others to see. It's the process of sending data from your device to the internet. When you post a photo to Instagram, send an email with an attachment, save a file to Google Drive. And, this is the big one for many of us, when you're on a video call, you are uploading on a video call. Your camera is constantly capturing you and sending that video data to the other person. That's a continuous upload stream. If your upload speed is slow, the data gets stuck in a traffic jam. The result, your video freezes, your voice cuts out, and everyone asks, "Can you hear me now?" This is the exact reason why your video calls can be terrible, even if your movie streaming is perfect. Streaming a movie is all download, but a video call is a two-way street, heavily reliant on your upload speed. So, how can you tell the difference in your own speeds? It's easy. Just go to any internet speed test website. You'll see it run to separate tests and give you two numbers, one for download and one for upload. You'll probably notice your upload speed is a fraction of your download speed. For many standard internet plans, it's common to see something like 100 megabits per second for download, but only 10 or 24 upload. This is called an asymmetrical connection, and it's perfectly fine for most users. However, if you're a content creator uploading large videos to YouTube, a streamer on Twitch, a professional who works from home with lots of video conferencing, or someone who backs up huge files to the cloud, that small upload number can become a real bottleneck. In these cases, you might want to look for a symmetrical internet plan, where the upload and download speeds are the same. Like 100/100ths, fiber optic internet is famous for offering these kinds of plans. Let's do a quick recap. Downloading is receiving data from the internet. Think watching, listening, and browsing. Uploading is sending data to the internet. Think posting, sharing, and video calling. Your download speed is usually much faster because that's what most of us do most of the time. But for certain tasks, a slow upload speed can be the hidden culprit behind your internet frustrations. Now you know the secret. The next time your internet feels slow, you can be a detective and figure out if it's an upload or a download issue. Is your Netflix buffering? That's a download problem. Is your Zoom call a pixelated mess? You're likely dealing with a slow upload speed. I hope this clears things up. Understanding this simple difference can save you a lot of headaches and help you choose the right internet plan for your needs. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor and smash that like button. Let me know in the comments what other tech topics you'd like me to break down. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay in the loop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.